The difference with litigation is, no matter what the dispute is, it's in an open public courtroom. No matter what the dispute is, there's tons of paperwork and hours of the attorney's time that goes into presenting it before a judge who in all likelihood will not care whether or not the kids get dropped home between 9 or 8:30 at night, or will not care that maybe my parents gave the down payment for the home, or will not care that my spouse spent all this money on golf why I had to work 1,000,000 hours. Nobody's going to care about that. Nobody's going to make that right. So why do it? Why jump through that? And why sign up for that when you have an ability to go into this process on your own, take control, and say, this is what's important to me. Let me get out of this. Let me untangle this. The judge doesn't need to decide everything. So in seeing how complicated the process is, where you take control and where you save money is by getting involved in the process from the beginning of the process, realizing that you're going in there to be reasonable, understanding what the law is going to provide for you anyway, and just going from point A to point B in a straight line and be done with it. You will save a ton of money and a ton of time. You can move on with your life. I have an expression in my practice where I say to the parties, look, what's your price of peace? What's your price to make this over? How much does it cost you to not have any more, or how much would you be willing to pay to not have any more sleepless nights, to not have to meet with me on a weekend, to go through papers and documents, and to not have to deal with the stress of going through this for an uncertain and unknown result? Because you don't know what a judge is going to think. Just because you think it's right doesn't mean the judge is going to think you're right. The judge is going to do what the judge does. The political appointment is going to do what the political appointment thinks is right that day. It will absolutely save you money and time in order to keep this in the mediation process. Get it done.